Big boy. You sitting up all by yourself? What are you doing? You think you're a big man now? Do you think you're a big man now, Papa? Yes, you do, huh? Don't you? You're a big boy. You're a big boy, Papa. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? Can you get back up? You can't, can you? Uh-oh. You need help? Do you need help? Come on.
It would be better if I have the camera on, you have the tape recorder. Hey, Aiden. Again?
Get up, get up, get up!